Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. This is me Sana Mehrotra. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, hit the subscribe button down below and also hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. So guys, today's video is all about my purchases from purplle.com. So wherein I'll be showing you all my recent skincare purchases from that site which I have bought during and before lockdown. So guys, you might be knowing कि ग्रीन जोन वाले एरियाज़ में स्किन केयर एसेंशियल्स की डिलीवरी अवेलेबल थी. सो मैंने ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन कुछ अपने स्किन केयर एसेंशियल्स जो है वो ऑर्डर किए थे और इस हॉल में आपको कुछ ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स भी दिखेंगे जो मैंने बिफोर लॉकडाउन ऑर्डर किए थे सो दैट जब मैं अपने होम टाउन आऊँ तो मेरे स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स जो हैं मुझे वो अपने घर पे ही अवेलेबल हों. बट लॉकडाउन हो गया और इन प्रोडक्ट्स की डिलीवरी जो है वो थोड़े टाइम के लिए क्लोज़ हो गई थी. सो मुझे दोनों ही अपने ऑर्डर्स जो हैं कुछ ही दिनों के डिफरेंस में अवेलेबल हुए. सो इन दिस वीडियो यू विल गेट टू सी बोथ द ऑर्डर्स टुगेदर and without wasting much time and making this video very lengthy, let's get quickly into the video. So guys, these are the products that I have purchased from purplle.com. So I'll start with the packaging. So जब मैंने इसको परचेज किया था तो ये बहुत ही नाइसली एक कार्टन में पैक होकर के आए थे और ये सारे ही प्रोडक्ट्स जो है इंडिविजुअली बबल रैप थे तो उसकी पैकेजिंग जो है बहुत ही अच्छी थी. सो ये प्रोडक्ट्स जो है मुझे ऑलमोस्ट अ मंथ पहले डिलीवर हो गए थे. सो मैंने इसका जो कार्टन है वो थ्रो कर दिया था ड्यू टू प्रिकॉशन. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट दी ऑफर्स दैट आई गॉट ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड. सो बिफोर लॉकडाउन जब मैंने इसे परचेज किया था तो उस समय बाई 3 get 3 की सेल चल रही थी. दैट मीन्स इफ आई परचेज 3 products then I would get 3 products for free. और तभी मेरे पास एक कूपन कोड भी अवेलेबल था जिसको अप्लाई करने से I got few more discount on the order और मुझे एक काजल पेंसिल भी फ्री मिली. So in this video I'll be showing you the orders that I got in buy 3 get 3 sale and a few more orders that I ordered later on during lockdown. So I'll start with the Good Vibes Cucumber Lemon Under Eye Serum. So it says it is filled with soothing properties of cucumber. This brings down the water retention in the eyes to reduce the swelling and puffiness, and also infused with lemon. It tightens the skin and lightens the dark discoloration under eyes. So this product retails for 225 rupees for 10 ml of a product. So coming to my review about this product, so I am using this product for almost a month now and I have seen a visible difference in my under eye area. So this product has reduced the puffiness of my eyes and has given a much needed hydration to my under eye area. And this product has even reduced the dark circles. So I'll show you the product. This comes in this small bottle and it has dropper to it. So आप ऐसे 2 to 3 ड्रॉप्स जो है ले करके इसको आप डेली नाइट में अपने अंडर आई एरिया पे धीरे धीरे अपने ये रिंग फिंगर से ऐसे आप अपने आईज के नीचे मसाज कर सकते हो. So the second product is this Good Vibes Activated Charcoal Deep Cleansing Face Mask. So basically all the Good Vibes products have no parabens, no sulfate and are cruelty free and even has got no mineral oil to it. So this mask says it is excellent for purifying and deep cleansing the skin. Activated charcoal draws out all the dirt, impurities and bacteria that is deep seated in the skin and keeps the skin flawless. So this retails for 225 rupees for a tub. And coming back to my reviews, So it smells like yum. It reminds me of my childhood days, because it fragrance is similar to a pencil lead that I used to eat in my childhood. I know this is too much information for you guys, so coming back to my reviews. So after applying this mask, it doesn't feel like your skin is very dry unlike other masks. So this mask cleans out all the impurities and dirt from your skin and leaving your skin very soft and moisturized. So the next product is Good Vibes Papaya Glow Face Mask. So it says it is known for fighting pigmentation and blemishes. Papaya cleans the skin and leaves it hydrated and supple. So this retails for 225 rupees for a tub, and this is basically a glow face mask. So as we know that this has a papaya as the key ingredient, so it helps in reducing your pigmentations and fighting against your blemishes and marks if you use it on a regular basis. So I'll show you the mask. So this is yellow in color and it smells good. So the fourth product is this Good Vibes orange gel. So it says tangy with refreshing scent. Orange is a wonder ingredient full of vitamin C and oxidant that protects the skin from free radical damage and helps in oil control. So unlike other Good Vibes product, this product has got no parabens, no minerals, no sulfate, and is also cruelty free, which is very good point. And this retails for 225 rupees, and I got this product for free in the deal. And coming back to my review about the product, as we know that this has got orange to it, which is the key ingredient of this gel. We all know that orange has got vitamin C into it, so which is a very good for our skin. So it is a good replacement of aloe vera gel. Not a replacement, but you can use both the gel on and off basis, because both the product has got its own benefits. So you should give this a try. So I'll open the cap and show you guys the product. So this is basically yellow in color, and I'll show you the texture. So it is not very sticky, not very, in fact it is not at all sticky, and it smells good. So next up we have Good Vibes Rose Glow Toner. So it says it is a great cleanser and removes oil and dirt accumulated in the clogged pores. So let me tell you guys, actually मुझे कोई भी रोज वाटर या जो टोनर होते हैं वो मुझे सूट नहीं करते हैं रोज फ्रेग्रेंस के. सो मैंने बहुत से प्रोडक्ट ट्राई किए. आई हैव ट्राइड डाबर, आई हैव ट्राइड पतंजलि, आई हैव ट्राइड साहिबा, एंड देन आई हैव ट्राइड खादी, बट मुझे कोई भी प्रोडक्ट सूट नहीं किया. बट दिस प्रोडक्ट हैज़ वर्क फॉर मी. सो आई यूज़ दिस प्रोडक्ट ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. इनफैक्ट मैं दिन में 2 से 3 बार इस टोनर को अप्लाई कर लेती हूँ, एंड दिस गिव्स मी सच अ रिफ्रेशिंग फीलिंग दैट आई कांट इवन टेल यू गाइज. So I'll open a cap and then I'll show you. This comes up in a spray bottle. You can spray it like so, and it smells like real roses. बहुत ही अच्छी सूदिंग सी स्मेल है इसकी. So you guys should try this, and this retails for 175 rupees, but I got this for free in the deal. So the next product is this Good Vibes Neem Tulsi Glow Toner. It says it is enriched with the goodness of neem and tulsi. This toner protects the skin from tanning and discoloration. It minimizes the large and open pores for beautiful and even skin. So I use this product on an on and off basis. Actually इसमें नीम एंड तुलसी है, सो इट वर्क्स ऑन एक्ने एंड पिंपल्स. तो जब भी मुझे एक्ने या पिंपल्स होते हैं, सो आई यूज दिस प्रोडक्ट एंड इट हैज़ वर्क फॉर मी. और आफ्टर एप्लीकेशन ऑफ दिस यू फील सो फ्रेश, एज इसमें नीम और तुलसी है. इसकी बहुत ही अच्छी सी प्यारी सी सूदिंग सी स्मेल है. So it also comes in a spray like bottle, and it has even worked for me in minimizing my open pores. So this retails for 175 rupees and I got this for free. So the next product is this NY Base City Island eye pencil. So it says it is smudge proof, water resistant and one stroke application. Yeah, it has got one stroke application. You can see it is not that dark kajal, but it is okay. And इसकी कैप भी बहुत free है. And to be honest, this काजल इज़ नॉट एट ऑल स्मज प्रूफ. आप इसको स्मज करोगे तो ये ईजली स्मज हो जाएगा. सो इट इज़ ओके, बट ये इतना अच्छा काजल नहीं है. So I have not spent any penny on this. I got this for free in the order. Guys, now I'll be showing you the product that I purchased during lockdown. The product is Nivea whitening smooth skin. So it is basically a underarms roll on, and it says it has got 48 hours protection. It has 0% alcohol and has got mulethi extracts and even tones your underarms. So this is my second bottle, I guess, and I have restocked this product. And as you guys know, that it has got mulethi to it, which is a very good skin lightening agent. So it really works. So you guys must try this. And it retails for 185 rupees for 50 ml of a product, and I got this for 167 rupees. So I'll open the cap and show you guys. It has got a roll on, so you can easily glide on this roll on to your underarms area, and it is not that sticky. You can use this on a regular basis. I actually use it twice a day. So guys, next up the product is Good Vibes Rose Hip Radiant Glow Face Serum. So it says it has got no parabens, and it is cruelty free. And it says it is a face serums that maintains skin's elasticity and smoothness, infused with rose hip extracts, and brighten even tones the skin for glowing complexion. So I am using this product for quite a long time, and this is my third bottle. So this product has worked for my skin. It has brightened my skin and even has tightened my skin. So you guys must try this product. And this product has even given a glowing effect to my face. So this retails for 399 rupees for 30 ml of a bottle, but I got this for 339 rupees in the offer. And it also comes in a small bottle of 10 ml. So if you want to try that this product, you can purchase the smaller bottle, and I'll show you the product. So this comes up in a bottle, in a glass bottle, and it has got dropper to it also. So अगर आपको dropper से use करना है, so you can replace the cap and you can use this dropper. So basically I take 2 drops of this product and apply this evenly on my skin and massage for about 2 to 3 minutes. So ये मेरी एक्चुअली मैंने ये रीस्टॉक किया हुआ है, मैं दूसरी बॉटल से इसको यूज़ कर रही हूँ. So if you want to see, I'll show you this product in my nighttime skincare routine. So the last product is this Pond's moisturizer. So it is a light moisturizer and is basically for non-oily, fresh, free skin. Fresh feel actually, and it is for soft and glowing skin, and it has got vitamin E and glycerin to it. So I have already reviewed this product in my morning skincare routine video. So if you guys have not watched that video, I'll link that video in the description box, so you guys can go and watch that video after watching this video. So yeah, so this retails for 120 rupees, and I have finished almost half a tub of this product. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do let me know what was your favorite product from the haul in the comment section. And also do let me know if you want a detailed review of any product, so I'll make a separate video on that. And do subscribe to my channel before you leave, and also share this video with your friends and family. And see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.